se le dije, disculpa.
Riley, go get it! Get it.
Look, they're gonna evict us. Give us some rent. I just want to. You little shit!
Check this out, guys.
Oh, Ginger. Ginger.
Ginger. Ginger.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
No.
No.
No. No.
No.
I forgot about Packer.
Damn, girl. I like your butt, G. Oh, really? Cool. Oh, really? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You ever just look at your cat and just meh. Meh.
Come here, buddy. Berlioz. Come here, bud. Come on.
Just so you know, Mom, I am about to do something that is very, very big, very important. When you hear about it, you're going to be very proud.
So I'm trying to water these plants, but I can't because I got a dog that won't leave me alone long enough to do this.
Who's that little piggy?
Michael, you poor sweet thing. You don't have a thought behind those eyes, do you?
What in the dog witchcraft Elumi Baki is going on here?
هات دول هات اللحمة هات
Oh my God!
What'd you find back there, kitty? What? No touch to belly.
I wonder how many things have been lost down that vent. Oh shit.
Good boy.
And they're both boys.
Oh my goodness, Summer. You just dropped it. You just dropped it on the floor. I thought you were good at carrying children.
You look so handsome.
Mother. Oh! Motherfucker. Oh God.
No! What are you doing? Beans! What are you doing? Want some? Buster. Ben. Oi!
My dog has literal rocks for brains.
Let's see a handstand. Damn straight. Oh my God,
No, it's two cats and a raccoon. They're best friends. Raccoon? A duck.
I'm alive. I'm dead. I'm watching TV. I'm looking at you. F you. I'm dead again. Hey! Oh! You scared me! Jesus! Oh!
Hey, what's up, good?
Do Superman. Do Superman. Do Superman. I know. Let's go. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Hi. Hi. I know.
Genius.
Oh my God, what are you doing? Whoa.
I love this man, and I have to have him.
Get away from the vent. He fell in the vent. Oh my God. No. No, oh my God. Oh my God. Bill, come back. Oh my God. Oh my God. Mom.
My name is Gustavo.
Bro, like, I can't walk away or he's just gonna attack me.
Cody, what have you done? You're gonna go, uh-oh. You're gonna pick it all up?
He's gonna snatch your snake. Okay, can we talk about the fact that, like...
Are you hungry?
Good got a trumpet, don't it?
Spit it out! Spit it out!
This is put in next to a large Arby's cup. This is put in next to a box of Frosted Flakes. Puddin's face next to one of Dozer's treats. Why are you crying?
Y que a mi niño lo quiero yo y el que no lo quiera le da un dolor. Y que a mi niño lo quiero yo y el que no lo quiera le da un dolor.
Hey, what are you doing in here?
We're gonna try to balance all of you on one hand. My guy. Oh, hi.
Oh my goodness, you are just so adorable. Yes, you are. Makes it harder to get rid of you when we have to pull poop out of your bum. Oh my goodness. Yes, it does.
You're gonna fuck my screen, man.
Hey.
What? Oh, put it. What is it? Why is my Apple Pen on the floor? Guys, what is it? Oh, what the? Look behind you. What?
Hi, sisters!
Water. Earth. Fire. Air.
I don't know how much longer I can continue living like this.
Some monkey. And there's some monkeys. Oh, wow. Oh, we can walk right underneath him. Oh, okay. Oh. Look at the testicles on that thing.
I want waffle fries.
Coney, would you like to play?
Please, bro, just one hit. We'll kill you. I'll pay you back. I swear to God, dude. Just let me get a rib.
Keep your hands off my laptop. Keep them off.
Well, looks like you're trained.
Kenny, today we've got 2 options for you, but you can only choose one. So, we've got a treat or we've got some food. Which one would you like? Treat. Treat? Kenny, you know how to do sentences. Show me again.
Kenny want treat.
Kenny want treat. There you go.
How you feeling, Zerby?
No way.
Is one of the key areas that I would say we're focused on from a leadership and HR perspective.
Bro, I forgot how having a kitten is like you wake up to a new cat every day. And honestly, I don't like this one's as much as yesterday's because yesterday's was all sweet and snuggly and this one's like, what?
My daddy's got a BMW. Well, my daddy drives a Mercedes.
My father drives an Aston Martin. My papa drives a Rolls Royce. My dad drives a Ram 1500.
Our 1-year-old American bully is scared of our new Pomeranian puppy. He wants nothing to do with him.
Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, Papa. Come inside.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad! You keep digging!
They let her go. Come here, my man. Come here. Jump. Come here. Come on. Oh. Come here. Come here.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. You don't know how to do that door, do you? Winter knows how to do the door.
What is something that your dog does that you just don't even think twice about, but anytime anyone else sees it, it's kind of shocking or weird?
Hey!
It's my turn! It's my turn! It's my turn! It's my turn!
Może coś...
You're just giving off.
Ah! Ah!
What?
Oh.
Seni yerim.
You gonna give the people some stomps? Their legs. Stomp, she stomp, she do the no stomp. Hey, stomp, she do the no stomp. Hey.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Take Nikki. Nothing!
Thanks for that.
Why you got your paw on me, OG? Get your paws off me. Would you? Is there a problem? Do you want to smoke? What up? I'm just playing, OG. My fault, OG. OG, I'm just playing, OG. Chill. Chill, OG. You can put your paw on me. I'm sorry. OG, chill, please. Please, OG, please.
What are you doing? Okay, okay.
Pav, you're trying to feed your skinny cat without alerting your fat cat that can is being opened.
Okay, okay, okay.